Good morning, friends. The topic for today is common laparoscopic surgical procedures. As you know, the surgery of the abdomen, it is either carried out by open technique or by laparoscopic technique. The laparoscopic technique was started in 1970s, and for all the general abdominal surgical conditions, now laparoscopy is preferred over open technique because of cosmesis, number one. Number two, post-operative pain and early recovery. Now, the common procedures which are performed laparoscopically in general surgical practice are appendectomy, hernia, gallbladder, and intestinal operations. For appendectomy, we use a 3-port technique, that is, we are making 3 keyholes in the abdomen that are roughly 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter in size. Seeing on the endoscope, and we see the abdomen on the TV, and we push in instruments and do the surgical procedures. Most of the surgical procedures, the technique is the same as the open surgery. The only difference is it is performed through keyhole incisions. So the post-operative pain is less, it is cosmetically better, and patient has an early recovery. For gallbladder surgery, laparoscopy is now considered the gold standard. Almost 99% of the gallbladders are now being operated laparoscopically. It can either be done through a 4-port technique, a 3-port technique, 2-port technique, or single-port techniques. For all these procedures, you need technical expertise. So you should go to the surgeon who has a long experience in laparoscopic surgery so that you get good results. Other procedures like appendectomy are also performed through a 2-port or a 3-port incisions and has a very good post-operative recovery. For hernias, a number of laparoscopic techniques are available, including transabdominal preperitoneal and total extraperitoneal repairs. The total extraperitoneal repair is considered the gold standard for bilateral hernias. And in this technique, we don't enter the abdomen at all. We go between the peritoneum and the abdominal muscles, and we do the surgical dissection and put the mesh in that space. So, for an early recovery, you should opt for laparoscopic surgery, which is now considered the gold standard for surgical procedures. Thank you.